team effort, lahat, every day. From technical to small informations, to feedbacks, lahat to. Everything goes dun sa training namin, in-all-out na namin, and we made sure that yesterday wasn't the last training before that. Remember? So lahat yun, inano namin, mindset, tamang mindset. And especially, I'm very thankful dito sa ladies. They gave all their best today, not just today, meron pa tayo tomorrow or the day after, but still, we have to focus on the goal. Yan pa rin. Continue pa rin to work. Tomorrow, training ulit kami tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Justine, with 21 excellent picks and excellent receptions. Ito sa game na ito, crucial din yung mga naging defense mo for Akari. Siguro, ano lang ba yung naging mindset you're heading into this match that eventually led to this game?
Every ounce of energy and strength talaga improves dito sa game na to kasi it's all or nothing. Yun yung naging mindset ko this game.
Thank you. And for Ami, 25 points in this game and carries into the semi-finals. I guess what can you say about how the team worked today against Marcus and eventually getting that thing into the semis?
I think we worked really hard. We did really good defense. We passed well and we served well, so I'm glad that we were like reading their attacks. So I think we finished. It was like a really close game, but I'm really happy with how we finished and how we worked.
Thank you. Flores, open for question.
For Coach and Justine, siguro yung team last year, baliktad yung sitwasyon. Kayo, yung Akari number 1, number 8, yung Park Fresh, kayo baliktad. Ano lang siguro yung pinanghawakan ng team para makuha itong panalo na ito at pag-advance sa semis kahit number 1 seed yung nakatapat nyo?
Gusto ko lang din i-comment si Ate Greta din na kumbaga siya yung naging hugot, naging bunot din Coach T. And I think one thing din na nandito kami sa punto na to is yun nga yung laging nire-remind sa amin na parang nasa sama na kami, bakit bababa pa kami sa balik. Yun yung lagi ko naaalala, which is galing sa owner namin, ng Akari. Kaya yun yung naging mindset din namin.
I have no idea na last time, so but still, lahat naman ng teams kailangan natin pagandaan. Even yung mga teams na akala natin na hindi beatable or kaya natin, or minsan na meron tayong chances na kaya naman pala tapos bigla natatalo. This time kasi, it's a matter of kung paano tayo mag-prepare for this quarterfinals. I'm not saying na parang sabi nila, depende sa gising eh. Parang ganun yung sinasabi nila. But for me, preparation talaga ang puhunan namin at this point. And lahat ng mamatter sa amin, even dun sa mga body language na during trainings, malaking bagay yun sa akin to motivate na we have to continue working.
We finished by preliminaries for then when I asked you if kayang tapatan ng finals appearance last year, sabi mo, mahirap tapatan. Tingnan na lang pala. Now reaching the semis, do you like what you're seeing for your body language and confidence of the girls? Or finals ka?
Unti-unti, we can see the light. Because we are Chargers. But no, joke lang. Maganda yung motivation ng team today. I mean, the rest of the days. Maganda yung motivation namin. Lahat kami focus doon sa goal namin. And even dun sa connection, I reminded them every time dun sa connection where we have to connect. Even outside and inside the court. And yung understanding, better understanding. Now, isa na lang, nakikita namin now, isa na lang yung gusto namin mangyari. Which is magandang factor yung for our team. So, meron pa isang game. So, tanungin mo ulit ako the next time, okay? Pero this time, semifinals, we will make sure na aabot tayo doon sa goal na sinasabi namin.
And for Annie, we know Ellie, the third report is also explosive. You both of you are in line at 25 points. Can you make any assessment on your advantage this time in order to snatch the win against Green Form?
I don't think there was an advantage. Ellie is really strong, and I think that my team helped me play really well. They covered me. They did defense against Ellie. She's really strong. She makes a bunch of points. So I don't think there was an advantage. I think we just played really well together, and I'm so proud of us.
and nabanggit niyo po kanina teamwork sa Philippine action, pagdating nila ng team. So, gano'n lang kahalaga na yung Elisoy, yung presence of Sophie Pichardo, ay maganda rin nila.
Actually, yung target talaga namin every game, which is, I always remind the setters, dapat yung middles namin double digits. At least. Para at least yung mga wings namin, collab dun sa mga numbers na provide. Pero at still, yung strength namin, kasi binibigyan namin ngayon ng medyo detailed yung strength namin yung middles. So, still, medyo, ano din para dito? 9 for PP, set 7. So, we have to work overload pa. And then yung kay Ellie, 10 points, not bad for 3 sets, pero still, kailangan pa natin mag-provide ng bigger number for semis. Kasi semis naman. Next natin pagkakata. Thank you.
Coach, speaking of semis, pwede nyo makatapat either Greenland or Pendergast dito. So, ano lang yung magiging mindset, especially that you guys really want to get into the finals?
Being in the semis, di ba, may ticket na sa semis, iba pa rin yung, iba pa rin yung magiging story. But we have to work, we have to make, parang sa amin, take control of everything that we have. It's a matter of, yun nga, paano natin i-prepare, tamang mindset lang, again, yung guidance hindi naman mawala. Respect to teams, Petrogas and Creekline, champion team yun. So medyo mabigat talaga. There's no easy win ngayong round na to. So kailangan natin paghandaan.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah!